How do I reset my voicemail password?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to guide you through the process of resetting your voicemail password. This is an essential skill if you've forgotten your password or just want to create a stronger one. So let's dive in and get your voicemail security up to speed.
Understanding why you need to reset your voicemail password.
In this modern age, protecting our personal and professional information is crucial. Your voicemail is a repository of sensitive information that might be targeted by hackers. So, you might need to reset your voicemail password. If you have forgotten your current password, if you suspect someone else knows your password, or if you simply want to change it periodically for security purposes, remember, security is key, and changing your password is a part of that.
Steps to reset voicemail password for mobile carriers.
The process may vary depending on your mobile carrier. We'll outline the general steps here. 1. Open your phone's dial pad. This is where you would typically dial numbers to make a call. 2. Call your voicemail service. This is usually achieved by holding down 1 or by dialing a specific number provided by your carrier. 3. Navigate to the Settings or Options menu. The automated system should guide you to this with voice prompts. It might be labeled as Personal Options or Administrative Options. 4. Select Change Password or Password Options. Again, the automated voice prompts should guide you to this option. 5. Follow the prompts to set a new password. This will usually involve entering your new password twice to confirm it. Remember, each carrier might have a slightly different process, so check their specific guidelines if needed.
Contacting customer service.
If you can't reset your voicemail password via the automated system, your next step is to contact your mobile carrier's customer service. They can assist you in resetting your password. This is generally done over the phone, but some carriers might also offer online or in-store assistance. So there you have it. That's how you can reset your voicemail password in a few easy steps. Remember, it's important to change your password regularly to keep your voicemail secure. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and keep your information secure.